Understanding auto-reply emails, a simple guide. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very useful and common feature in the world of emails: auto-reply emails. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who uses email regularly, understanding auto-reply emails is essential. Let's dive into what they are and how they work. An auto-reply email is an automatic response sent by your email system. It's like a helpful assistant that replies to emails on your behalf when you're not available to do so. This feature is particularly useful when you're on vacation, in a meeting, or otherwise occupied. It informs people that you're not ignoring them and will get back to them as soon as possible. There are several reasons to use auto-reply emails. 1. Professionalism. It maintains a professional image by acknowledging received emails. 2. Time management. It helps manage expectations about when you'll be able to respond. 3. Information sharing. It can provide alternative contact information or important notices. Setting up an auto-reply email varies depending on your email provider, but the steps are generally similar. 1. Go to your email settings. 2. Find the auto-reply or out-of-office response section. 3. Craft a clear and concise message. 4. Set a time range for the auto-reply to be active. 5. Save your settings. Remember, it's important to be professional and informative in your auto-reply message. Here are some tips to make your auto-reply emails effective. Be brief. Keep your message short and to the point. State your absence. Clearly mention when you will be out of office and when you will return. Provide contact information. Include an alternative contact for urgent matters. Thankfulness. Express gratitude for the sender's email. I hope this video helps you understand and effectively use auto-reply emails. They're not just a tool for informing others of your absence, but also a way to maintain good communication even when you're not immediately available. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.